Hey folks, what a view behind me. I'm at Black Bull Markets headquarters here in Auckland, New Zealand. Speaking of views, you can get TradingView paid plans for free at Black Bull Market, saving you up to $600 a year. Get either the Essential Plus or Premium plans absolutely free. All you need to do is trade from one lot a month at Black Bull Markets. And you can also get a 100% deposit bonus for your first deposit up to $1,000. All you need to do is click the Trading Nut link in the description below. Our sponsor Blue Guardian is the only prop firm that gives their traders a tool to protect them from hitting their max daily loss and over trading. It's super simple to use. Just set the Guardian Protector each day from your dashboard. Did you also know that they've just released an unlimited time evaluation with a 0 trading days requirement, giving you plenty of time to hit their low 8 and 4% targets, making it super fast to get funded. Plus, it's cheaper than the 40-day time limit evaluation. Check out the link and coupon in the description to get 10% off your next Blue Guardian evaluation.
What is good, everyone? Hope everybody is doing well. Good morning, good afternoon, good day. Like I said, hope everybody is doing well. It is a Friday. It's an awesome Friday. Hopefully we can find some profitable opportunities today and exploit them. So it's been a while. Definitely. It's been a while. And I want to start off with the Forex calendar. The Forex calendar. My trusty Forex calendar, because a lot of things have happened this week, okay? And, you know, if we want to figure out where we're going to go, we want to figure out where we're trying to go, the first thing we need to do is figure out where we come from. Yes, very philosophical. Looking at the charts here, I pretty much see two of the most interesting things, okay? I would like us to focus on two currency pairs for now, right? Earlier on this week, on Wednesday, we had AUD. So basically anything that's attached to AUD had a very impactful move on Wednesday because of CPI. Fast forward that to Friday, this morning, we had the Japanese yen. Also, a lot of aggressive moves that happened there. So let's start by looking at, let me move this back here. Let's start by looking at AUD NZD, which for pretty much now, what is this? The last week of February, the whole of March, and pretty much the whole of April. 10 weeks now. 10 weeks, AUD NZD has just been printing bullish move after bullish move after bullish move. To say that, you know, there's a retracement that is due it goes without saying. It's going to happen. It's going to happen. However, it's a little dangerous because picking a top is just, you don't want to do that. You don't want to pick a top, and you also don't want to catch what they call a falling knife, right? Don't catch a falling knife and don't try and pick a top. But today we're going to try pick a top. Okay, today we're going to completely ignore that advice, regardless of how good it is. We're going to try pick a top. In fact, I think I have already picked one because I know it's going to happen. I mean, we don't just do this. We don't print like a staircase. A retracement is definitely on the cards. There's this huge consolidation zone that we've been trapped in for essentially since, I don't know, 2022, right? And we seem to be breaking through that now. I don't think we're breaking through that. I think that we're about to see a move that's going to induce people to think one thing and then something else is going to happen. I think that a lot of people are looking at this trend line and they're going to be loading up on long positions and they're going to get trapped because that's just what the market does. It traps people. So I've placed a short. Nothing crazy, simple 1-to-1 over here. We're about, I mean, from where we are now, it's about 60 pips away. Yeah, that's my short position on AUD NZD. I think it's going to fall at least to like this level. So from that short, we can fall maybe 200 pips, 260 pips. But yeah, that's what I'm thinking on AUD NZD. Going back to the dollar index, which is usually where we start. I just wanted to get that out the way quick fast. DXY. Still believe that there's some upward momentum here. However, at some point in, I don't know, maybe the next week or four, the dollar index is going to fall too. It's going to be a huge corrective move, right? I can't say exactly when, but it's due. It's due. But for now, I'm still bullish on the dollar index. I still think, these highs can get taken out. This brings me to a trade that I'm currently involved in, USD JPY. Here it is. Got out of this with profit. Pretty nice. 618 pips banked. Crazy. Got into this. Looks like we're about to hit TP on this. 568 pips. You can understand why I believe the dollar index is going to go up. I still see a lot of bullish momentum on USD JPY. However, for not for long though. Not for long. We're very close. I mean, in USD JPY terms, we're very close to our TP on USD JPY. Now, I want to start with my reasoning behind the belief that the dollar index is going to fall soon. I entered a long position on gold. I'm currently in this position right now. I'm long on gold. It's a 2-to-1. You can see the stats. That's where my TP is. That's where my stop loss is. It's a 2-to-1. I had been calling 2400 on gold since from here. You can go through all my previous lives, and we achieved it. Very nice work. We fell very aggressively to the bottom side. We had like 3 bearish days. This was like Wednesday, Tuesday, and Monday. Yeah, so we started this week extremely bearish. Tuesday we were bearish. Wednesday we were bearish. Wednesday, as we should know, is usually Wednesday. Yeah, Wednesday latest Thursday morning, for me at least, or Thursday midday. You're gonna see a midweek reversal. Whatever momentum was being carried Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, you're going to see a reversal. Usually. The reversal could be a huge reversal. It could be a complete like 1,000, 2,000 pips. Or it could just be a slight corrective move, but usually. So I take that, and I take the fact that gold for the most part has rallied for fundamental reasons. So like throwing a Fibonacci retracement tool on this right now would just be futile, because gold is moving based on fundamentals right now. Whatever the reason was for it to reach 2400, I don't believe that reason doesn't, it doesn't matter anymore. I don't believe that reason isn't relevant anymore. I think it is. I think it wouldn't surprise me if we saw $3,000 on gold. It just wouldn't surprise me right now. Yes, we're due for a correction of some sort. I mean, because we've been rallying ever since here. But I just feel like I think there's still some more, Gold still has more to give. But anyway, I'm rambling. Gold, I'm long on it. USD franc, I'm not in this trade right now, but I believe that it's going to sell off. And I've got a trade waiting and anticipating the sell-off. A little fun little fact. On a break of this trend line, on a break of any trend line, the second, third touch is usually where you can place your TP, because we'll achieve that level very easily. Just a hint. But yeah, I'm shorting USD franc. Well, I want to short USD franc. Pound NZD, the worst currency pair ever. In fact, it's not, but it's up there with AUD NZD. I've been long on this. I've been in this trade since the 19th of March. There's no easy way to say that. It went up into profit. I was up like 1-1 at some point. Then it went back into drawdown. Went up into profit. I was up over 1-1. And then it went back in drawdown. And now we're here again. I'm still patient with this, and I'll show you why. If we look at gold, not gold, if we look at USD JPY, we were consolidating in this for a very long time before this aggressive move happened. And if I had, lost my patience and lost my nerve, I would have gotten out of this trade with a small loss and watched the market move without me. Same thing here. From the moment I got entered, literally, like, when was this? This was the 16th of Jan when I got entered in this trade, and it only hit its TP on the 10th of April. So 3 months of holding a trade. Fortunately, USD JPY pays you a positive swap. For the longer you hold your USD JPY trade, the more money you're going to make in positive swaps. So I was protected in that sense. But it definitely sucked, holding on to a trade for 3 months. But it paid off. It paid off. So in regards to pound NZD, as impatient as I'm becoming, I'm still going to hold this trade until it either hits stop loss or it hits TP. Simple as that. We already went over AUD NZD, which seems to be rallying as well. So sad. And then pound CAD, still a decent distance away from finding an entry here either. So yeah, that is pretty much where we come from. What I'm in, what I'm looking to get in. Today we have USD news at 2:30, which is about 3 hours from now. And then about an hour and a half to 2 hours after that, we have another USD news release. Okay. Now I'm gonna try look for an opportunity. This is so sad. Like, didn't get filled. I mean, it was still a pretty good distance away from my entry, but yeah, you win some, you lose some. New Zealand CAD. Yeah, I would load up on buys on New Zealand CAD. Load up on as many buys as I possibly can. I don't see anything this side. New Zealand franc. Euro pound. That hit targets. I don't see anything here either. This hit targets. I don't see anything there either. Yeah. Oh, sorry. So yeah, in terms of like opportunities, there aren't a lot. It's just aren't a lot. I'm hoping that maybe tomorrow I can do another live and give out a few ideas as far as like what I think is going to happen in the new week. Also, the market will be closed, so I'll be able to use the full, like as much information as I can from the entire week to arrive at a decision. But yeah, that is pretty much where I'm at with everything. I've got like one trade that's in profit right now, and it would be two trades actually, pound NZD and USD JPY. are in profit. Got nothing on these two, and USD franc, got nothing there. And gold, oh, and then gold is, I just entered this as well. So looking forward to seeing how this plays out. News-wise, like I said, we have 2 USD news releases later on today. That will affect my gold position. That will affect my USD JPY position. Next week we have Euro news, New Zealand news. Hopefully on Wednesday, on the 1st of May, we've got New Zealand news that will maybe do something as far as this AUD NZD. FOMC on the same Wednesday. Woo. Next week should be lit. And then you have NFP. Whenever this happens, I don't really expect fireworks. I don't really expect fireworks. We have some CPI for the Swiss franc. Do I have any exposure on that? Nothing. Oh, I have USD franc. USD franc. But it would be a huge move. It would need to be a huge move. But I guess it's all the way on Wednesday, so maybe the Swiss franc will kind of push the price down. And I'll manage to get out of this trade. Where are we? Yeah, so I have exposure on USD franc. As far as the franc CPI, was it CPI? Yes, the Swiss franc CPI that's going to come out on Thursday after FOMC. But it's still a long time from now. Going to see how this plays out. Maybe I'll get filled over the next 3 days, and then the CPI comes out and just pushes the price even lower. Guys, it's looking like it's gonna be pretty quiet until at least the news release. That's gonna come out in about 3 hours. I'm gonna do another live tomorrow. Um, yeah, so I'll check you guys tomorrow, same time, same place. It'll be kind of like be a recap of what happened in the week, and then I'll also talk about my ideas for next week as well. So do not miss out on that tomorrow, same time, same place.